Hello everyone, myself Namita Madi and my topic name is mean deviation.
Definition of mean deviation. The mean deviation is defined as a statistical measure which is used to calculate the average deviation from the mean value of the given dataset. The mean deviation of the data values can be easily calculated using the below procedure. Find the mean value for the given data values. Second, now subtract mean value from each of the data value given. Now find the mean of those values obtained in step 2. Merits of mean deviation. A major advantages of a mean deviation is that it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It takes into consideration each and every item in the distribution. As a result, a change in the value of any item will have its effect on the magnitude of mean deviation. The value of extreme item have less effect on the value of the mean deviation. As deviation are taken from a central value of the possible to have meaningful comparison formation of different distribution. Demerits of mean deviation. It is rarely used in sociological studies. It cannot be computed for distribution with open class. Mean deviation tends to increase with the size of the sample to proportionately. It is not capable of further algebraic treatment. Mean deviation formula. Mean deviation equals to summation f. Absolute value is x minus x bar upon summation f. Here represents summation represents the addition of values. X represents each value in the data set. X bar represents the mean value of the data set. F represents the frequency of data value. And absolute value represents the absolute value which ignore minus symbol. There are three steps of on finding the mean deviation. Find the mean by using the formulas x bar equals to summation fx upon summation f. Second, solve for absolute value of sum x minus x bar and multiply it to the frequency of each class, and you divide the answer of summation f absolute value x minus x bar to the summation f.
Find the mean by using the given formula. Formula is mean equals to summation fx upon summation f. Here are given the x values and f values. So firstly mean calculate. We want summation of fx. So here we got summation f equals to 30 and summation fx equals to 54. So put this value in the formulas and we get mean equals to 1.8.
For second step, we want summation f modulus x minus x bar. So firstly we have to calculate it modulus x minus x bar, then f of modulus x minus x bar. After that we get summation of summation of f modulus x minus x bar equal to 33.6. After that this value put in the formulas and we get mean deviation equals to 1.12. Mean deviation formula, ungrouped data. The formula to calculate the mean deviation for the given data set is given below. Mean deviation equals to summation f modulus x minus x bar upon n. Here, summation represents the addition of values. X represents each values in the data set. Mean represents the mean value of the data set. N represents the number of data values. Modulus represents the absolute value which ignores minus symbol. Exercise 1. A booklet has 12 pages with the following number of words. Follow the below's number. What is the mean deviation of the number of words per page? Here is mean raw data. 271 plus 354 plus 296 plus 309 plus 333 plus 326 plus 285 plus 298 327 plus 316 plus 287 plus 314 upon 12. We got equals to 3708 upon 12. Mean equals to 309. So we got mean deviation is 309. Then find the absolute deviation. We want modulus x minus x bar. We got summation of x minus x bar equals to 232. Putting this value in formula, 232 upon 12, mean deviation equals to 9.33. Thank you.